In this chapter, we would like to add a target color to make our process or program like a game. As you can see here, the game is we want to have a target color at the top. So we try to simplify the process, right? And for color that we develop in the past sessions. And one ball matches a target. So you can see that you can click the match and then say, yes, correct. And if it is wrong, say try. Again, that's the whole idea, correct? So we had, so you can have the previous HTML file and save it as a new file, or just keep it everything online. That would be the same. So we're going to use this again our prompt to get the code and view it in the browser. So our prompt is this: we want to ask ChatGPT to give us HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and to show the target. So he actually simplified the process as we showed in the last couple of slides. And the color box and the four color balls, right? One should be matching the target color. When the user clicks a ball, show a message saying correct or try again. So that's the simple or clear message for ChatGPT to give us the code, HTML code. And now have a look what we got. So I asked ChatGPT, and then you can see that because we didn't specify how to give it to us, it gives us different like a file, HTML file, then CSS file, and the JavaScript. So basically one by one. So when I just put them all together, HTML here, CSS here, JavaScript here, so you can see I can click. And you can see somehow it says correct or not correct. So you can see but this somehow not looking like what you're expecting, which is what I was expecting. So you can think of any other like a functionality. But for me, it was when I clicked, I wanted the colors change again randomly, right? So that it wouldn't be just one color and one color for the target, one color for all these. It's not just this is not like the game that I had in mind, right? Again, it's up to you how to define it, but this wasn't the case. And then when I actually, this is actually the cool thing about the repetition and about learning. You remember the framework we talked. It's kind of loop always. So you just come up with an idea, get the codes, and start. And even if within the code you can go change things, but this is overall functionalities that I'm not happy with for the time being. So in that case, I asked ChatGPT to give me, you can see here, I said, okay, give me all in one full HTML and ensure after each click, the colors change randomly. All right. So I'll go, now I get that whole idea all in one HTML. And basically, let's see if that's what I explained is true. So I'll just paste it here. So it can go as you remember, we can actually go like what CSS part is, what the HTML part, which is the whole part, and what the functionalities are in the JavaScript part. But let's for now try to see if it works. So we have these colors here and the target and other colors here. See, I think this one says try again. That's nice. So it changed again. I do the correct one? Oh, that was correct. And it's not what I like because it changed quickly. But anyway, it's up to you. It just gave it, I think, 1 or 2 seconds to probably here. Yeah, probably give it a timeout here. Nice. So you can see that basically what happens, and you can quickly come back and see what the code does, right? And if I do, yep, correct, okay. And you did this color, yep, correct. So it works. Perfect. So to review. We want to do this whole game, tap the matching balls. There's the targets, there's the score and other things we do in the next couple of chapters. But for now, we wanted to match the colors. And with this prompt and a little bit of fine tuning it, we managed to do it. So we added a target to match, and we can now match it. And what we saw here was just some sort of like a timeout as well. Like there was given a time, and then sort of it's removed and changed the whole colors randomly again. But again, if you are interested in something else, you can always start playing around and change the functionalities or the JavaScript part as you go. Sometimes you change the JavaScript part, and then the CSS should change as well. If it has something to do with the coloring or with the structure of the whole application that you have. So keep this in mind. They are somehow intertwined, but yeah, to some extent they are separated so that you can better think and design your program within the structure and how to make it beautiful, and then how to sort of the functionalities work or the behavior of the system. Keep practicing and keep sending us if you have any new ideas. Create, please, because we are here to create any ideas and share with us. All the best and see you in a next chapter.